This is DOP, the Damen submersible dredge pump. DOP turns an excavator or a wire crane into a highly efficient dredging machine. DOP can do all kinds of dredging jobs like maintenance dredging, construction dredging, sand mining, or unloading barges. DOP can operate in challenging conditions all over the world, from remote locations to busy ports. With its exchangeable suction heads, DOP can work with any type of soil. It comes in sizes fit for a variety of machines and production capacities up to 44 dump trucks per hour without additional equipment. The Damen DOP, the reliable, flexible, all-round dredging solution.